Hi guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm just doing something different. I don't have anything fun or exciting for dinner. I actually have few pieces of leftover chicken. I'm sure you can hear in the background I have my TV on. So I'm really just going to be eating, watching TV, and probably not doing much talking. So I don't know. I hope you enjoy it.
Down, right? Want some billions?
So Dad thought he was taking out another dealer, but he hit the wrong house. North instead of south.
Shot the whole family.
Nice.
2 little kids, mom, dad, grandma.
Yeah, he's been Metro's most wanted ever since. Swings through LA just long enough to pick up his dope profits, and then he bounces.
So we finally got lucky.
Yeah, because he got sloppy. And he doesn't think we can touch him.
Well, pride goes before destruction and haughty spirit before a fall. What? I went to Sunday school. This next week.
What's going on? What?
Okay, welcome zone, straight ahead.
Honda. Oh, that's big hot. Further reflecting tape? 100% Sergeant. And cover years got eyes in the dress, nobody in, nobody out. Wait, you didn't evacuate the entire building? We were trying to preserve the element of surprise. No reason to spook the target. We have to, given his history of slipping you ready. Then let's move. Hold. Chris, check it out. Take door. Move.
Sorry. I need an x-ray, but it looks like nothing worse than a very bad contusion.
Thank you. Somebody could think they're matching up their stories.
Well, they're more worried about him than about how he looks.
Do not discount appearances. Let's get them separated.
I'm not gonna ask you what happened. Don't tell.
I know the drill.
No private conversations with any member of your team.
With any witnesses, I got it. Not until force investigation finishes your interviews. Understood, sir?
Starting now. No more talking. Move.
We're waiting for your lead lawyer before FID does our work for
There's
you.
no need.
Lawyers are useful in a situation like this.
Only if you got something to hide. Let's just get this over.
Don't get too proud to protect yourself.
I appreciate the advice, Captain. Are you present? No. Luke and I were at apartment 333 and we know a suspect. How far away? 4 rooms. All right.
No, we did our job, Commander.
I don't have to tell you how force investigation works. Same old, same old.
Me and us versus them, right?
That's unhelpful. It's not even accurate. We're all on the same side here.
Sure. Total not.
They're fact finders. They ask. We answer. Simple as that. You got me?
You okay?
No, I don't understand how everything inside was like that.
We'll find out.
Street busted his ass to get back on the team. You know they're gonna look at him hard.
So they look at him hard. We're SWAT. We can take your view.
Everything you say matters. How you say it matters. Think before you answer. Don't guess. And do not volunteer.
Commander,
Now, are you listening?
Yes, yes, sir.
I hate this as much as you do.
I doubt it. No, the dead civilian.
metastatic breast cancer, which is breast cancer that is spread to other parts of her body. She's also taking prescription Ibrance with an aromatase inhibitor, which is for postmenopausal women with hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative metastatic breast cancer as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ibrance plus letrozole was significantly more effective at delaying disease progression versus letrozole. Patients taking Ibrance can develop low white blood cell counts, which may cause serious infections that can lead to death. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or plan to become pregnant. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite. Corey calls it her new normal, because a lot has changed, but a lot hasn't. Ask your doctor about Ibrance, the #1 prescribed FDA-approved oral combination treatment for HR-positive, HER2-negative MBC.
Amazon's got everything you need, and free shipping for all. Welcome, everyone.
The 2 for $5 mix and match deal from McDonald's is back. Choose from some of your all-time favorites. It's time to celebrate because 2 for $5 mix and match is back.
Puberty needs personal space.
So sports clothes sit around growing odors. That's why we graduated to Tide Pod Sport.
Finally, something more powerful than the funk.
Tide Sport removes even week-old sweat odor. It's got to be Tide.
Sun care is self-care. I used to not love wearing an SPF just because I felt like it was so oily and greasy and then it was going to clog my pores. But what I love about Olay Regenerist Whip with SPF 25 is that it's lightweight, it's barely there. And then I can put makeup on over it if I want, or if I'm not working, you know, just roll. It's perfect for me. I'm Busy Phillips and I'm fearless to face anything.
A great field that includes Bill, Ricky, Rory, and the defending champ Jason Day. The Wells Fargo Championship this weekend on CBS. The hunt begins. Blood and Treasure. Premieres Tuesday, May 21st.
How did this even happen? What a mess.
Do you trust the process?
No, the false humans can't predict human behavior except for self-interest. That's pretty reliable.
You're more cynical than I am.
I'm just a pragmatist. That's why I'm going to tell you something.
Good or bad?
You're getting looked at for a promotion. But a finding of a wrongful death by one of your teams, that could sink it.
The least of my problems right now.
You're not even curious.
Sure.
Director of this operation.
That's a real possibility.
Real enough. And that's a straight shot at Deputy Chief. Hell, I'll say it, Jazz. No hiccups, and you could be the first female wearing the